Hi, I'm Katie O'Connor. I am the Program Manager for Education at NMSU Grants. And I'm here today to show you how to create a YouTube video from a Zoomcast. So I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see exactly what I see when I am in this process. Basically, I have logged on to YouTube, and because I've created a YouTube account, I have a picture up here in the right-hand corner. So you need to have a couple of things in place before you start this process. Number one, you need to have your Zoom cast or your Zoom video. Now, what I do is when I create a Zoom cast, which is a screencast and a video at the same time, I basically wait for that Zoomcast to process, and it usually tells you where it saves your Zoom video. There's usually a certain file on your computer or your desktop. I have all my Zoomcasts or Zoom files going to a certain file folder, so I know exactly where it is. However, I've done so many videos, it's really hard for me to keep track of everything that I do. And so what I do immediately is once it's saved, there's a little box that comes up that shows you the different levels of the video. And I grab the MP4 or MP3 and I drag it to my desktop where it says zoom.us something or other. And what I do is I change the name of it so I know exactly what video it is and what I addressed in that video. So once I've changed the name, it's sitting on my desktop, then I open up my YouTube channel. So right here you can see there's my face. You can, when you create your own YouTube account, you don't have to put your face on there. You can put anything, whatever it is, it represents you and your account. So I click there, and immediately what opens up is my name, my channel, purchases, membership, YouTube Studio, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff here that you can explore as you get better at this. So I click on YouTube Studio because I want to create a video, and that's where you do it, is in the YouTube Studio. So once I click on that, it opens up into a channel. It opens up so that you can see exactly everything that you have. Here, if you click on items, you have a dashboard, videos, playlists. If I were to click on my videos, you could see here is a listing of all my videos and when they were created, when they were published, things like that. You can also look on a playlist. My playlist, I have 3 playlists, one for online learning for students, one for online teaching, and one is my recordings. And so basically, you can find those in those categories. Then I have, there's a number of other things over on this side. There's analytics that tell you like how many people are looking at your videos and what they're saying, comments, how they're saying it, what they're saying about your videos, subtitles, which is something we need to explore. I wish I could tell you I was really good at putting subtitles in my videos, but I'm not quite there yet. So hopefully I'm going to explore that and get a little bit better at that. And when I do, I'm going to offer you another video on how to get that done. But there's other things like copyright, monetization, if you're getting paid for a video, customization, music, if you want to add music. There's just all kinds of things, all kinds of settings. You can explore that on your own when you have time. But first you need to create your account, so make sure that you get that done first. Then when you're ready and you have your Zoom video and you're ready to go, you click on create. Up here in the right hand corner besides my face is the word create. You click on that and upload videos. Here you have a little arrow and a circle. You just take your video and you drag it right into that circle, and that is your file selection, and it is in the midst of processing the video. So while you're waiting for that to happen, you can put in your title of your video. And the title of this video is how to create a YouTube video from a Zoom cast. Okay, so I just make that title right there, I copy it, and then it asks for another description. I just go ahead and paste that there, so it's pretty much the same thing. And then you scroll down, you can still see over on the right hand side, YouTube is still processing the video, so it's not done yet. But I scroll down and it asks for a thumbnail. I have a thumbnail on my desktop, so I just drag it there. Now I have the NMSU Grants logo, but you can put anything. It doesn't have to be an NMSU Grants logo. It can be a picture of you. It can be a picture relating to the content in your video. It can be just about anything you want. But I use that simply because most of these videos I'm making for NMSU students, just so that I can get better at creating videos and I can help them at the same time. So there you go. Playlists, I can put it on. This one is for teaching, online teaching. So I'm going to put it online teaching and my recordings, and it is done there. So it's on 2 playlists. Is this video made for kids? Well, not really, but it doesn't hurt kids to look at this. There's nothing in it that would be inappropriate, but I'm going to say I'm making it for faculty, so I'm going to say no, it's made for kids. It's not made for kids. There you go. So I put that there. You can also put age restriction. When I'm doing videos for teaching students how to do certain things in Canvas, I say yes, it's made for kids, simply because we have dual enrollment students that are under the age of 18, and I may want them to access those videos. So I kind of leave that open and make it for kids. Then you can put in more options. There's no paid endorsement for these videos. So I wouldn't add that. It's not a paid promotion. But I can put a tag in, which is right, where did I put that? Right there. I can say online teaching in Canvas. And I can add that there. You can also add your language or captions, which I have struggled with this and I can't seem to make this work, simply because you have to create your own captions and then upload them and then add them to the video. So that is just a little bit too complex for me. So when I get that mastered, I will provide a video on that. So as you scroll down, you can have the recording date and location. So today is the 29th of October, and I'm going to put in Grants, New Mexico. And we have New Mexico State University Grants. I'm going to add that there because that's who I'm doing this for. I have a standard YouTube license. I'm not really sure. I'm not putting it on Creative Commons. I'm just putting it on YouTube. I'm allowing embedding, and I can publish my 2 subscriptions feeds. Or I don't have to. I can make it so that it's more of a private video, but there's no hurt in putting it to a subscriptions feed at this point. It's for education. And basically you can click how many viewers like or dislike the video. If you want people to give you feedback, you can do that. But you don't have to. It's not necessary. Comment visibility, hold inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review. So you can decide if you want to disable comments or hold inappropriate comments or whatever. However you want to do it, that's your choice. Then I click next. You can add a screen if it's in a video that is not meant for kids. You can add a screen and you can import a screen, but I pretty much leave those blank right now. And then I click next. You can make it private, unlisted, or public. I have mine as public simply because I'm doing so many of them now, and people keep asking. It's just easier for me to make it public. And that way people can find them if they want them, the videos. You can set up a premiere or schedule to publicize your video, but I don't really do any of that. And pretty much that's it. And then I click publish. and it takes a few minutes for it to get it ready. It gives you a link which you can click on copy video link, and that adds it to your clipboard. And there you go, there you have it, there's the video. So if I were to go look at my videos right now, I could go, I think I should be able to look for it and find it. Oops, that's not where I wanted to go. Click back to my channel. And basically click on videos, how to create a YouTube video from a Zoomcast. So if I didn't like, say, the thumbnail or maybe the title of my video, I can come back here under the edit button, and I can change that. I could change the thumbnail for the front page and also my title. But I think it's okay, so I'm going to just go ahead and save it. And again, it's listed here. And if you wanted to, you can click on it and watch it and make sure it's something that you want to add. I'm Katie O'Connor from NMSU Grants. I am the Program Manager for Education. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. That is how to create your YouTube video from a Zoomcast. And so hopefully that'll be helpful to you on your journey of creating your own videos. And I hope it works for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm available via email or phone. My email is katioco@nmsu.edu. That's KATIOCO@nmsu.edu. So just send me an email if you need any help, if you need any assistance, or if you have any questions, just give me a call. Like I said, I'm a beginner at this. I've just started out doing them, doing videos just to help students, and now to help faculty or whoever needs a video. So we're doing them for courses as well. And so hopefully if you you can follow this and create your own. But again, if you need assistance, give me a call or give me an email. I'm always willing to help. For now, stay well, everybody stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.